Hi, my name is Sophie. Let's learn prepositions of place together. A preposition of place shows us the position or location of something. It answers the question where. Prepositions of place are short words and they usually come before a noun or pronoun. Where is Sophie? Sophie is on the table. On the table. On. Where is Sophie? Sophie is under the table. Under the table. Under. Where is Sophie? Sophie is next to the table. Next to the table. Next to. Where is Sophie? Sophie is in front of the table. In front of the table. In front of. Where is Sophie? Sophie is between the tables. Between the tables. Between. Where is Sophie? Sophie is behind the table. Behind the table. Behind. Where is Sophie? Sophie is near the table. Near the table. Near. Where is Sophie? Sophie is in the basket. In the basket. In. Where is the butterfly? The butterfly is above the table. Above the table. Above. On. Next to. Under. Between. In front of. Near. Above. In.